Oh wait, no! I still have to buy one. But I only have $5. My game's not responding. Good, we're good. Are you in yet? Get your bitch ass out of here. Okay. It starts in 10 seconds. I know, but I'm wearing these clothes for good luck. Can I still open them mid-game? People are fucking loud in this game. I want to just go land in the forest. Here, come with me. I know, but I don't want to die when I'm trying to open, like... I don't want to die, like, mid-crate opening. I want to be safe and sound. Yeah, there is. There's a fucking radio tower right up there. Look at these fucking HD trees, bro. I fucking play on low. How do I do this? Open crate, boys. Oh, that's ugly as fuck. I want this one. Wait, no, that's pretty dope. Oh, that's sexy. I swear, if I fucking get this, or these, even these, I don't want anything. I want these two. Fuck you, dude. No one wears hats. Oh, fuck, I'm pissed, dude. There's nothing good in here. I'm gonna get shit. I'm gonna get a fucking orange shirt. No, fuck the hat. It's so ugly. That scared the shit out of me. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I don't live where you live. Why the fuck do you need your thing? That's gay as ball sacks. You're dead, boy. I saw the A. Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bad! Bad! Oh, my head hurts! Oh my god! Bad! What? Where's it at? Oh my god! Oh, my head hurts! Oh my god! I got it! Oh my god! Oh my god! My head hurts! Wow! I got the pants, boy! Wow! Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! I'm sexy! Wow! I got the AR! Oh! Oh my god, I don't want double AR, bro! Oh my god, I got both the things I wanted! That's why you beat Drake mode!